Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Namhlanje we're talking about amadoda that are incapable to love.
Oh, akhona bafethu. This topic in gas izosusumsindo because and uzozwa watch ilokhuza abantu la ku social network discussion, because I discovered something interesting. People do discuss our topics after
yeah, sure.
A lot.
Yeah.
A lot. Abanye bayo featherisha in their own podcast. But be that as may, it's good. I like it that way. Because the information is that we are sharing with people so that it can be translated to knowledge. That knowledge can be utilized. Nyambos, bakhona abantu abangakwazi ukuthanda. It's painful. Sikhuluma ngendoda ekhali lana.
Yeah.
So kancane ngizoke ngithi kuma kubantu besifazane ngifocus kubantu esibalapha amadoda. There are so many brothers who are incapable of loving.
Why is that?
Because the structure of love was never introduced to them at childhood. They were moving from hand to hand, from caretaker to caretaker. Kungekho umama, ubaba, caretaker, or only interest in things that they were doing. Yeah.
Lezi are they caused, by, other parents that have failed to express uthando enganeni zabo? Is it caused by fear, emotional, limitations? I'd like to believe ukuthi uthando, and I stand to be corrected by you. Sinalo ukuthi uthando is innate thina. But I want us to correct that thing. Uthando is it perhaps taught?
Yeah, uthando is taught. It's not innate.
Sure.
That is so ignorant to believe uthando when it's automatic. Not when there's an issue of attachment, how you were attached to your parents ngesikhathi uzalwa. That plays a critical role. Into engiyisabayo ukuthi those painful and sadistic experiences umusukhula ziba exposed when you're attempting to love. Mhlamba when ibelief yakho ukuthi you begin to have a transactional view of love. Ukuthi mangifaka imali kumuntu osifazane then uzobuyela ngithande. And many men are guilty of that. Angazi ufuna mfethu kumenzela yonke into, I don't think lo sisuke ufuna ukwenzelwa into, usuke ufuna ukuthandwa. Unfortunately, usuke incapable of loving. I've actually counseled a lot of men who entered relationships, stayed for 15 to 18 years, never loved their partners. The reason why they were staying is because the partner was a convenient factor into their needs. And it comes from childhood. Kumbula Nyambos, when we are incapable as parents to meet the needs of our children,
sure.
Baba nama substitute needs and they become neurotic.
Mhlambe sengicabanga kabusha sonke ake sithi yini uthando kanti?
Love is the will to nurture your spiritual growth and another spiritual growth.
Love is
so is umuntu osilisa capable of ukuthanda?
If he makes a choice, ebese has nurturation. Plant in himself and germinate the seed of love. Actually practice it. Because another thing love is practice. It's not just pronounced. You have to practice love. Exactly.
Yeah. Sure. And I think a lot of us can relate to a part of us growing up. So it's conversations that you're part of, it's things you hear, it's how people interpret uthando nabo ngendlela yabo. And you'd hear Machita saying umsebenzi wokuthanda umuntu wesifazane.
Can a man survive from the misconstrued, interpreted form of love based on fear and trauma of other men? No ways. No ways, Sonic. You have to learn love from your caretakers. How your mother touched you as a son, the time that your father spent with you, the names they were using to demonstrate love to you. Your nervous system begins to be regulated.
So if someone never got that, how do they go along in life?
They become angry, resentful, and they demand reciprocation because they believe what they're doing is love, which is not. And as a result, 80% of men are scared of vulnerable like you've never seen before. Vulnerability. Abantu basesabakutshela ukuthi ngibe vulnerable makunjani. Yini.
I think for abachita kuba vulnerable, for amathekeni is accountability.
Accountability demand. Kodwa bona sisters abaningi about 70% ayikho accountability. Abayifuni in fact accountability.
They just point another
how
story.
ruthless and cruel women are. women are very harsh on other women. Bazondana, they can't stand each other. In fact, there's something about women which scares me. You know, abantu besifazane, perception and judgment of other women, the othering of other women is so paramount. Whereas Tina check they judge you from the way, how you talk, your circles and everything. That is the nature of femininity.
I guess it's unpacking further why men are incapable of loving umuntu besifazane.
Indoda Ikali on the Mayday Connection.
Sonic is in the house. No Kaya Mthetho ukanjena. And sticking to double serious. Why some outies incapable of ukuthanda ke abantu besifazane. Mhlawumbe indaba engilalele namhlanje and uyangithinta ngi-out and I realize ukuthi angikwazi ukuthanda. Where do I start in getting the help if there is help?
Uyazi ukuthi there's an interesting controversy because khona into engikwazi ukuzenza wedwa. Mase ngihamba kwenza ukuthi uzoba demotivated. Worse if you are in an unhappy, unstable, conflicted relationship. But uma ngithi mina ke woza ku therapy, then ngikwazi ukudiagnose ngi-identify lezi londa lezi. So what I'm going to do, Mkhayana, it's going to be easy because I'll point out to you how your wounds prevent you from expressing the love that your partner deserves.
You know, I'm sitting here thinking as well, Uguti, do you think most men define love as control rather than
manipulation, gaslighting?
Yeah. So uthi uyena umuntu uyakuthanda kuba uyakucontrola kahle kahle.
Noma providela.
By the provision is an absence of love, because then it's transactional.
So there must be love that can be seen and heard even if there's no financial benefit.
Even if there's no provision. Sure. You see, this is what is happening in our society, brothers. Our women are asking us to do things that their fathers did not do for them.
Indoda must.
Our women are asking us to do things that our fathers couldn't do for them. As
their fathers.
At resistance, they become very vicious. They threaten to leave us, and they remind you, I'll get someone. Now this is interesting. Uzohamba ayofuna umuntu angamthandi, nongamthandi, as long as there are transactions.
As long as kunenyuka involved.
Exactly.
I guess it's good to tell umlaleli via WhatsApp.
Hi, Bafana Bahle. And Budnabe, you guys, some of us are just facing a very, very hard time when it comes to these relationships for people who never experienced love. I'm not saying per se he was never loved by his parents, hence Ubabundabe has said that you copy what your parents are doing or how your mother touches you or how your parents are showing love. Then you become affectionate that you were thought. This person is always on his phone, there in the couch, on his phone constantly, but then he's complaining that he's feeling unloved. He's feeling unloved, yet he is not loving back. How does it work? Ain't men are initiators, then we are reciprocators. With me, I love being loved. I love loving, but I cannot love someone who doesn't love me. I cannot show gestures to people who don't show it back. I need to reciprocate the energy, you know.
I'm guilty, guys. I'm always on my phone.
The overuse of a phone, or I wanted to say a cell phone, the overuse of a mobile phone within the intimacy space is a damning evidence that lo user a phone hand. She values he or she values what she gets from online garbage as opposed to the quality that you can both actually
spend time together and talk.
Build, yes. Ukuthi khona into mhlambe fanele sikhumbuziswe emkhayana. I think you once suggested it last year. You just popped it as a question. Love is work.
Big time.
Big time, Baba. Love is work. It needs therapy. It needs self-reflection. It needs you to come out of the self. It needs a series of vulnerabilities. It needs the truth. Uyazi kukhona into esengiqala ukuyibona brothers. Nike nisizwe the statement esipopular ukuthi everybody is entitled to his opinion. Isibeke ephi leyo nto?
No way.
Because what we have done, we've opened a floodgate of ignoramuses. Abantu abangazi lutho, to be honest. Because they are not learning, they are not empowered. Kodwa ibona abantu esirely kubona ukuthi basitshela ukuthi how we should live our lives.
Their voices are louder.
And their voices are louder than intelligence here. Ngeke ukuthi ulekhi emotional intelligence ucabanga ukuthi ungaba in a functional relationship.
But it's these broken homes, Bamdabe. They're also,
That's true.
Not the perpetrators of it.
That is true.
We are Kulisa Intuana, and we are not together as parents.
The danger is that you are transferring our brokenness to our children.
Yeah, Vivian.
Awude wafuna wadli wabundawe ngathi ukhuluma eqene zazi namlento yangibambe yazi hayi awuyidedele bamndawe ngazi ukuthi nje ngakhuluma ukuthi sithole nama-solution ukuthi siphuma kanjani kule ndawo please listen thank you bafuna wadli midday connection
Siyabonga.
Ngishilo Sonic uzungivume baningi abantu ezobathusa lento ukuthi they are incapable of loving. They've never loved anybody, but they've understood the power of coexistence. They shell their feelings, they don't express themselves. Umunkosazi complainer bathi ufuna ngikunikeni
Ngoba ngikunika yonke
into. So the wound is blocking them from loving themselves, which makes it impossible for them to express love to the other partner.
Nayo Gcina.
Hi, sanibona bafana bahle nawe babundabe. Topic yanamhlanje ivele nje yangifica kujantshi. Yayisitimela yangifica kujantshi. Mina, my husband is a very providing man. Like, he does everything for us financially that needs to be done. But unfortunately, that's just it. And funny enough, we've been together for 12 years now. We've got 6 kids.
Yeah.
But uthanda look. And if you complain about it, that is his way of showing his love. Yes, he does love people, and that is his way of showing his love. There's no other way that he knows how to show you he loves you. And it gets frustrating at times. I really don't know how are we supposed to deal with such. Thank you.
The question is, what would you prefer between a hug, a kiss, a warm embrace, and a GL6?
Please don't ask that question in this country because Konos Oketa HGLC.
Thank you. What would you rather have as a woman in terms of quality? Vulnerability, deep emotional intimacy and connection, and sharing of yourselves and shared goals as opposed to an expensive bag of Louis Vuitton and a scarf of Gucci. Baningi abafowethu abahleli in loveless relationship kanje. It's because inkinga again unkosikazi uyena ubhuti akazithandi ngoba akazithandwe and akathandi umuntu. But he values the power of togetherness.
Kunomehluko omkhulu between ukuvunywa nokuthanda.
Ave umkhulu Sonic.
Sikuthola kanjani Ndabe?
0766 33954. Angiphinde mlaleli weGagasi ngithi yona 0766 33954.
Gagasi FM.